Hello again, this is Rick Powers from rickpowers.com and onward with our journey to build our own blogging website. So this is what we did in our last video. You should have your hosting together. So you've got your hosting company and that hosting company has a cPanel in it. We have, you got your domain name. We went into our hosting and we went into our cPanel. We uploaded WordPress. We went over to optimizepress.com and we got our OptimizePress. So then we downloaded the OptimizePress from there and the OptimizePress theme. So those two things should be on your desktop right now, and they're in little folders with a zipper on it. So you don't want to unzip them, you want to leave them just the way they are. Don't do anything. And what we need to do to get over to our WordPress site is enter your domainname.com/wp-admin right there on the bottom of the screen. That's what you want to put in. Not those exact things, but your domain name, whatever that is, /wp-admin. And when you do that, that's going to bring us to this site. Okay. Now, this is where we're going to build our website from. Okay, we're going to start that. So what we have to do first is we have to upload OptimizePress and OptimizePress themes. So we're going to do two uploads right now because OptimizePress is a plugin that goes into WordPress. So WordPress is your platform that we're building it on, but OptimizePress is the plugin that we're going to be using to build our site. Okay, you can use all kinds, and I'll show you how that works. But at first, let's go ahead and go down to plugins. We're going to add new, and we're going to go to add new plugins. We're going to upload plugin. We're going to choose our file. Mine is on the desktop. Yours hopefully is on the desktop. If it's not, it's somewhere else, and hopefully you know where that is. And you're going to go there just like I went here, and you're going to double click on that and it'll put it right up there, right into here. Now I'm not actually doing it because I already have it on there. And then you're going to click install now. Give it a couple seconds, minutes. I think it might take a couple of minutes or a minute or so to get going. And then once that is there, you leave it. We're not going to activate OptimizePress. Okay, that's the first one. We just did that. We're not going to activate it. We're going to go and upload the OptimizePress theme. So we're going to go back to here, choose a file again. You know where it's at, OptimizePress, and click get it up there, install now, and it's going to put in the theme. Okay, we're going to activate the theme. Now the way OptimizePress works, I don't want to confuse the issue because I was a little confused when I first started, but you think about it and it makes sense. Here's how it works. There are plugins. So OptimizePress you use if you're going to use a WordPress theme. You'll just use OptimizePress. But if you're going to use the OptimizePress theme, which is what we're going to use, we're not actually going to use the OptimizePress plugin. Okay? So, because it has everything in there, we're just going to use the theme. So you can't have them both going. So that's why OptimizePress, we're going to have that as we're going to see our plugins. Let's view all the plugins. Okay. Here's what we have so far. I just have a few on here because we're going to be putting some more on there. See, I have OptimizePress deactivated. Okay, so it says it's ready to activate. That's why that says that. So once I hit activate, it will be activated. But right now, it's deactivated. And I don't want to use that because we have them both up. What we're going to do is go to our themes. And so when you go to themes, you see we have one WordPress theme here. We have one OptimizePress theme here. And then we have, these are the WordPress themes. Now, they come with WordPress. There's more of them that you can get, but I just have these up here now. Let's give a live preview of what a WordPress theme would look like. This is what it would look like, though, from what I already have in there. I'll show you what I have going here in a minute. but this is what it would look like. And then you can obviously change everything here. I just threw this in here so we'd have something to look at. Wouldn't be just a blank page, but that's a blog. Okay. So, but we could save and activate that, and we'd be working with that. But we're not going to do that. We're going to work with an optimized press theme because I like those themes, and I'm going to show you what that one looks like. So that's what our optimized press theme looks like now. Okay, I just threw a couple things on there to get it going a little bit, but we're going to move things around. We're going to put things on, and I'm going to show you how to build this thing up. It's pretty easy from here on. Just have to kind of follow these steps, and you're going to get this pretty quickly. Okay, so back to our dashboard. Now, we're in Optimized Press theme. We have our Optimized Press uploaded, and we have our theme uploaded. So the next thing we need to do is set up our blog theme. So we're going to go into Optimized Press, okay, and we're going to go down to Blog Setup. All right. So now you see that we have, these are the themes that we can use. You see that they look pretty similar. We'll take a look at them. They have subtle differences on their theme, but there's a lot you can do with them once you get them up. So what we're going to do is, I chose the third one, but I'm going to show you the difference in them. You can see this one, how it has a little line around it. Okay, so and they have the big image with smaller images there. Okay, so this one here is basically the same as the first one, but without the border. Okay, it's just one page, which is kind of nice, pretty clean. And this is the one that I'm going to use. It's that same way with the no border on the theme. It's just plain there. And but our images are all going to be larger images coming down. It's instead of the smaller images that you see over here. So this is the theme we're going to choose. We click on that, so you see the little check mark there. Or you can choose whatever theme you want. This is all going to work the same. You'll see. And you know what? You can change the themes. You can make them different. So once you've got it up and going, you just change the theme and everything will just shift over. So no big deal here. We can keep that, whatever. But this is the one we're going to start with. This is everything's sake of argument. Everything can be done differently from now on. Everybody can have their own way. But I would say let's just, till you get it down, do it this way. Follow me, and then go back and change things as you start to. You go, oh yeah, I understand this, and I want this to be different, and that's the way it will be. And I'm telling you, it's not going to take long from here. So on to step 2. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go through this. We're going to come back because all this is going to be in the settings. This is just the setup. Let's just get your blog set up. So we'll go over all this stuff. So just hit on to step 3 because these are all set, and then we're going to go back and redo these one by one. Let's go on to step 4. Okay. And then let's go on to finish step 5. And then your blog will be set up. Continue to blog settings. Now your blog has been set up successfully, and we can move on. So for the sake of keeping these videos to a minimum, so if you want to come back to look at them and go over them, you don't have to find, we'll go to a certain point, like right now we're going to stop on this video and we'll start up the next video. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks.